Hi guys, Danica here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to export your WordPress user to your HighLevel account. So once you have connected WP Fusion with your HighLevel account, you need to have your users in WordPress also loaded to your HighLevel account. So to do that, you need to go to WP Fusion under Settings, and then there's an Advanced tab. Scroll down, and there's an Export User. So what's gonna happen is it's gonna query any WordPress user without a saved HighLevel contact ID, meaning if you visit one of the users here, scroll down, if this ID does not exist, then meaning that is not yet linked to your HighLevel account. So it's gonna do that, and it's either gonna create a new user or new contact in your HighLevel or update the existing ones based on the email address. So as long as their email and WordPress match and their email to your HighLevel account, then it will just automatically connect the two and attach the HighLevel contact ID. And any registration tags will be applied to the contact as well. And existing contacts will have their tag loaded and cached. So for the registration tag, that means once the user in your WordPress and user in HighLevel is connected, this tag here is gonna be applied to them. And then you can also see whatever tags they have in HighLevel in this section. So let's try, because earlier I have exported some user. If you have a lot, then you need to may do this more than like one time, because it's gonna search for those user without the HighLevel ID. And earlier I did run around 577, and then now I only have 33 left. So that's how you connect your user contact and WordPress to your HighLevel account. And if you have any question regarding this setup, just let me know. Now there is some error in here, so I will check that later in the logs and maybe show you how I'll handle those errors in the next videos. And yeah, if you have any question regarding this process, comment it down below and I'll include it in my future videos. And I hope this one helps. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.